Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to change Twitter handle on X. So let's go to X, and you want to tap a profile picture in the top left corner of your screen to open the side menu. Now here let's scroll down to settings and privacy. In your settings select section your account, and from here let's select account information. So at the top tap on your username, where you will see your current username and the field where you can enter your new username. Tap continue, and you can do it right here. And when you're done, you have to tap done button in the top right corner of the screen to finally change your Twitter handle. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.